What's up, UWE Bristol? It's your Snapchatting wonder boy Charlie here, back at it again with another Snapchat takeover. Today we're going to be going to the Festival of Sound over at Colston Hall. We're going to go and listen to some music, you know how it is, bit of jazz, bit of classical, bit of saxophone. So come along, come with me and I'll take you on this musical melodic adventure. And we can go and explore some sound. Oh, would you look at that, we made it to Colston Hall. There it is, the big boy himself. We're only slightly late, but you know, it just makes it more of a student experience, isn't it? It wouldn't be a student experience if I arrived here on time now, then would it? So let's go in and listen to some music. I can already hear it coming. That's the end of my Snapchat takeover, showing you guys the Festival of Music today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check out what our social media geezers are doing, you can check us out on the Snapchat, the Instagram, the Twitter with hashtag #MyUWEBristol. And if you want to show us what you're doing, just use the same hashtag, send us it back. And next time you'll see me should be Wednesday. So until then, take it easy.